and well met. Welcome to OCM Hobbies. In this video, we are going to be looking at the Necromunda Orlock Outrider Quads. Two Citadel miniatures. Okay, so this box set, I guess, was released with the release of Necromunda the Ash Wastes supplement, where Necromunda, you normally play inside Hive City. You have a bunch of gangers, just infantry fighting each other. Sometimes there's power armor, something like that. Sometimes there's beasts. The Ash Waste supplement allowed Necromunda players to play on the surface of Necromunda with vehicles. So this is one of the box sets that came for that particular expansion. Okay. So this one's for House Orlock. Take a look. Right, Orlock Outride Quads, two Citadel miniatures with multiple assembly options. Should be a simple enough kit. Okay, so I've already opened the kit to check what's inside, to make sure that everything inside is what should be inside. Okay. Simple kit. Ooh, okay, so let's take a look what's inside. First, these are large oval bases. Games Workshop 2013, 993, 799. If I believe correctly, these are the 90mm large oval bases. Might be the same ones that, well, actually, I'm not even sure if these are the ones that Primaris Outriders come on, but these are much larger than the 60mm bases, the normal ones that Rough Riders come on, and what else? Secrets of Slamish, I think. Okay, and then there's a larger 75mm base. Oval base, and then these are the 90s there. And then there is a instruction manual, of course, how to assemble your Orlock Outrider Quads. Cheap paper, so we are in so these miniatures are produced in an era where the Games Workshop did away with the nicely colored glossy paper inserts and started using cheap black and white paper. Okay, Games Workshop and Games Workshop, of course. Okay, so despite these being two vehicles, they do look pretty complicated to assemble. A little bit higher difficulty than your typical Space Marine Outrider. More working parts, kind of closer a little bit to Adeptus Mechanicus, but not exactly as complicated. Of course, this kit contains two of these, so it should allow you to make two. There's only one, so different weapons options over there. Yeah, manual. There you go. And then the sprues. There. So, the box contains two Outrider Quads. There are two sprues. They are identical to each other. So it's two of the same sprue. So each sprue should allow you to make one full Outrider Quad. Okay. Let's take a look at what exactly is on the sprue. So you have a bunch of wheels, so 4 wheels. These are 4-wheeled ATV looking things, not quite dissimilar to the Primaris ATV. Okay. Yeah, they actually thought they would be a little bit bigger, seeing that they would be on these oval-sized bases. Makes me think that you can probably use these, convert these for your Gene Stealer Cult army or your Imperial Guard army, use them as proxy scout or even armored sentinels. Here. So there's quads. You have 2 riders over here, so there are 2 sets of legs. Or so you a little bit converty. You can make them into separate troopers or gangers. And then your weapon options. There's your harpoon gun and your heavy bolter. Heavy bolter actually looks pretty nice. Can probably be used in many Gene Stealer Cult, Chaos Cultist, or Imperial Guard conversions. Too small for Space Marines, but hey, these are people. These are humans holding them. There. So, box contains 2 sprues, identical to each other. One makes 1 quad each. Oval base. And your manual. So there. That's the box set right there. And that is your Necromunda Orlock Outrider Quads. 2 Citadel miniatures. There you go. Hey. So if this video helped you guys, if you guys like what you watched, hit the like button. subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.
Hey, you made it to the end of the video. If you liked the video, hit that like button. If you enjoy similar content, consider subscribing to the channel. If you want to help us make more stuff, share the video with your friends and circles. Consider checking out our other channels. We have dedicated channels for hobbies, games, and other stuff. And I'll see you in the next video. OC Mallrat